Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how you can use custom fields in GoHighLevel software. Custom fields are used when you are using a form builder or a survey builder. So let's see how it works. First of all, log in into the GoHighLevel software and go to form builder and click on create new form. Here you will find lot of pre-made fields such as full name, you can use it here, phone number, email, organization, address, state, country. Lot of fields are available here. But if you don't want to use this and if you want your custom fields, then you can also use it. So click on custom fields and here are the pre-made custom fields. But if you want to add a new custom field, then you can also add it. Click on add custom field and here you will find a lot of types of custom field such as text, last text, numerical, font, monetary, checkbox, single option, multiple option, radio, date, text box, list, file upload and signature. So here for example you want to add a radio custom field, then here you have to give the name of the field. Here you can ask any question. You have to add the options. First option you have to type it here. Second option you can add multiple options, but for this example we are adding two options and click on save. Now custom value is available here. You just need to drag and drop into the form and it will be shown here. Now let's add a button and make it center. And let's save this form. After saving it, you can check it. Click on the link and copy paste it into the new tab. So here the form is available. this is the custom field we have used. It says how old is your company. You can click on this option or you can click on this option. So it's working fine. So this custom field you can use it into the survey builder also. When you create a new survey, you will get the pre-made fields here, but you can also add a custom field. You can create a new custom field from here or add the custom field we have created earlier. You have to just drag and drop and it will be available in the survey builder. You can save it and you can see it. Just click on the link and paste it in the new tab, and the survey is available. You can click on the first option or you can click on the second option, and after that it's completed, then it will say thank you for taking the time to complete this survey. So in this way you can add custom fields in the form and in the survey builder. And if you want to see all the list of custom fields, then you have to go into the setting and click on custom fields. Here you will find all the list of the custom fields you have created. You can add custom field from here also. So I hope you like this video, and if you want 14 days free trial of Go High Level software, then you can click on the link in the description and sign up from there. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.